Hello there! Today, we're diving into coordinating conjunctions, the tiny but powerful words that help connect ideas. Ever heard of fanboys? No? The excited fans. We're talking about the 7 coordinating conjunctions. F for, A for and, N for nor, B for but, O for or, Y for yet, lastly, S for so. These words help link two independent clauses or ideas smoothly, making your sentences clearer and more natural. Let's check out some real-word examples. Example 1. I wanted to go to the party, but I had too much homework. This shows but, connecting two independent clauses. Example 2. She loves chocolate and ice cream. This shows and, linking two ideas together. Alright, let's test your skills. I'll say a sentence, and you have to guess which coordinating conjunction fits best. Ready? I was tired. Blank. I kept working. Comment your answer below. Good job! I hope this video helps you better understand about coordinating conjunctions. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe. Bye now!